friends, welcome to Navneet Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare one of the most popular dish of Hyderabad, Telangana, which is Mirchi Ka Salan. This dish is Shan of Hyderabad. It is very popularly prepared in almost all weddings or any occasions. This is the best complimentary dish with biryani. The gravy that is used is an universal gravy, and when substituted with any vegetable like tomato, brinjal, capsicum, etc., it tastes so great. This curry, which has all flavors, just makes your special occasions more enlightened. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit bell icon to get instant notifications. Raise a thumbs up if you like my videos and leave your valuable comments. Let's start the preparation. Ingredients required are, these are bhaji mirchi, fat chilies. I have slit them and removed the seeds. If you like to have seeds, you can have them, but I removed it because they might be too spicy. Then onions, I have sliced them and kept ready. Peanuts, sesame seeds, dry coconut. If you have whole coconut, you can take those dry coconut pieces, but I have desiccated coconut, so I have taken this. Tamarind pulp, coriander, cumin seeds, coriander seeds. Then salt to taste. Chili powder, according to the spice, you need to check and then add, because green chilies also will be a little spicy. So you have to check that and then add if required. Turmeric powder, garam masala powder, ginger garlic paste. Heat a kadai. First we will dry roast these peanuts. We have to dry roast them till they are done. So these are done. We will transfer this into a plate. Now to the same kadai, I am adding sesame seeds. These also you need to roast them. So these are also done. We will transfer these also into a plate. We will fry this desiccated coconut as well. So this is also done. We will transfer this into a plate. Now we will dry roast these cumin seeds and coriander seeds. So this is also done. We will transfer this also into the plate. Now to the same pan, we will add little oil and fry these onions. So this is done. We will turn off the stove and allow it to cool down completely. Now let's grind all these items which we have fried. So along with this, we will add ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, little chili powder we will add, and then later we will check and add if it is required. We will add tamarind pulp to this as well. We will add this to smooth paste. Now this is done. We will see the next process. We will heat a pan, add little oil to this. We will add few cumin seeds, few mustard seeds. Now to this we will add little curry leaves. We will add the grounded paste to this. We will wash the jar and add little water. Now we will mix this properly and cook this on low flame, keeping the lid till the oil floats on the top and this gets fried properly. So we will cook it every few minutes. We'll just open the lid, mix it properly, then cover it so that it doesn't get burnt in the bottom. Meanwhile, we'll take a pan, heat it, add little oil to this. We'll fry these mirchis. the oil started to float. So these chilies are also fried 50%. Now what we will do is we'll add these chilies to the gravy. So we'll add this to the gravy. Mix it properly. We'll add little water and allow it to cook for some more time. Now we'll add water to this because it is too thick. We'll add little water to get into the consistency which we want. A little more. Now what we will do is these chilies are not cooked fully because they are 50% fried in oil. So we'll cover this and again cook this for some more time till the green chilies get cooked properly. Now the oil started to float, so this is done. We'll just garnish it with a little coriander and we can dish this out. Here is our Hyderabad most famous Mirchi Ka Salan ready to be enjoyed as a side dish with biryani, bagara rice, chapati, roti, naan, puri, etc. When you replace these chilies in this gravy with brinjal, it becomes bagara bangan. Can also be replaced with many other vegetables. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.